Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will see transmission lines, the basic concepts. First one, what are the primary constants of transmission line? So constants means which is doesn't change the value. So here resistance is a constant R, which is a primary constant. Inductance, resistance, inductance, then capacitance, then conductance, right? So the inverse of this is a conductance. So which is represented by R, L, G and C. Then which are the secondary constants? So secondary constants are characteristic impedance Z0, propagation constant gamma. These characteristic impedance is represented by Z0 is equals to root of Z divided by Y, where Z is impedance, Y is admittance, right? Then propagation constant is represented by gamma is equals to alpha plus j beta. So overall this is a complex number where alpha is a attenuation constant and beta is a phase constant, right? So it is Napier per meter and it is radian per meter, right? How the gamma is rated with the help of this z and y? Gamma is equals to root of z into y. Propagation constant is calculated by this. Characteristic impedance is calculated by this. So we will solve two problems, simple problems based on this concept of secondary constants, characteristic impedance and propagation constant gamma. So first is characteristic impedance of transmission line with impedance and admittance 16 and 9 respectively is. The meaning of this is characteristic impedance we should calculate. Z0 we should calculate, right? For that, what is the given? Impedance and admittance. Impedance is represented by Z, admittance is represented by Y. So what is the relationship between this Z0, Z and Y? That is this one. So take this Z divided by Y. So what is the value of Z is given, which is 16. What is the value of admittance is given? 9. What is here? We can do this as Z0 is equals to, what is the root of 16? 4. What is the root of 9? 3. What is 4 by 3? The answer is 1.33. So out of these four options given in the MCQs, the correct answer is 1.33. For this we should use this formula, which is a characteristic impedance Z0. So one more problem. Propagation constant of the transmission line with the impedance and admittance value 9 and 16 is. So we should calculate this gamma now. For this we have the formula gamma is equals to Z into Y. Right? So what is impedance? 9 is given. What is admittance? 16 is given. So what is this? 9 into 16? 144. Since it is under the square root, the value is going to be 12. 12 is a propagation constant of transmission lines. So these are the basic concepts, like primary constant 4 and the secondary constant this, and based on that the small problems, right? So in the next class we are going to see uh, that is about how this circuit arrangements is, how we can write that Z omega L pattern, Z omega C pattern in the next